Still having percussion cap misfires. I did a video and a mod, put a washer between the grip frame and this mainspring. Helped, but not completely. After that, one thing I noticed is right in this region here, when I slowly put the hammer down, there was a slight hesitation. So I stoned the sides of the hammer with a rough stone, and that helped somewhat. Still not 100%. Now I had this problem with the Walker percussion cap failures. I was at the range shooting, failure after failure, pulled it apart, cleaned it, put it back together, still failures. Took it apart, cleaned it, still failures. Tighten the screws. So I took it home and I put it in the garage and I stoned the sides of the hammer and I filed the inside of the hammer channel. And that got rid of the problem. No more percussion cap failures. Another thing I noticed was it wasn't completely even in the channel, so I filed one side more than the other, got it centered. But I solved my percussion cap failure problem. I did it with 5-grain loads and recovered round balls. Didn't have to do it on the bench at the range with embarrassment, a lot of loss of powder and ball resources. So that's why I like gallery shooting. You can kind of get things dialed in without expending a lot of energy and time. Whoops, there goes my roller. So I'm going to take it apart and try that with the 1861 Navy. This is a medium vial. It's not real raspy. I'm going to be doing that more. That's just for demonstration purposes. And the rough stone is going to be used on the sides of the hammer. And I'm going to put this 61 back together and see if that solves my cap problems. Thank you for watching.